traced our name and counted every letter in our name, wrote the number, and built in a 10 frame for each letter in our name. At the end of the day, we celebrated our names and made name bracelets.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How does it work? On in under, clap, clap, clap. On my hand, in my hand, under my hand. On in under, clap, clap, clap. On in under, clap, clap, clap. On in under, clap, clap, clap. On. We are quiet, quiet. We are quiet, quiet.
Your kids. Use supplies around your house to be able to create the letters of the alphabet. Safe to try. I have a free alphabet collage book for you. This is such a fun way to teach the alphabet to your kids. Use supplies around your house to be able to create the letters of the alphabet. Safe to try. I have a
And sleeping line, right curve and sleeping line, right curve and sleeping line. That's the number 2.
Square, triangle, rectangle. Circles, rectangles, triangles, squares. There are so many shapes out there. Everywhere you look, you will see another shape. What will that be? A circle, a square, triangle, rectangle.
Standing line straight down, standing line straight down to make the number 1.